guys, so we're at Sky for breakfast. On the way down it just tipped it down with rain, but it didn't last long.
Let me show you the floor.
Yeah. Soaking wet.
But we persevered, didn't we?
Yeah. They wiped down the table and everything really quickly. I mean, it's beautiful up here because you're slightly up high, so you can see what a view we've got. I don't know if you guys see it, but we have to make a note today because the Franklin storm, there's loads of seaweed that come on there, and if we get a chance we'll show you the guys. The poor guys are raking the all the seaweed up. Bless them. I mean, it's a huge task, pretty much an impossible task, but no, it's lovely up here. It's lovely up here.
It's empty because obviously it rained, so nobody came up.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can see the seaweed there. It's terrific. It wasn't like that at all yesterday, was it?
No.
And they are going mad to try and clear it up, which is brilliant. But we've placed our order, so we'll do a little picture of the food and a review when we get it. So Scarlett got the pancakes and they look absolutely amazing. They look really light and fluffy. Yeah?
They do, yeah.
She got the eggs Benedict.
Perfect. Runny eggs, salmon on it, crispy Benedict. Oh.
Really lovely.
Yeah.
And we got the beignets, obviously coffee. And I got the pancake with ham and cheese, which is nice. So, and then you got the view again. Really nice.
So hi guys, we're just having lunch and we're having it at so we'll upload the pictures of the pizzas what we got. So I got a meat feast, Scarlett got margarita, and Gina got
chicken barbecue.
Chicken barbecue.
It was supposed to be pizza bites, but I dropped the garlic sauce.
Dropped the garlic bread. Oh, never mind. So I'll just give you a bit of a spin around so you can see what it looks like. There. So you can see what it's like. And I'll just show you where they make it. Obviously another gorgeous day in the Caribbean. And so Scarlett's going to give us the actual figure of how hot it is because she likes to look up the weather.
32.
32. It's pretty hot, especially to have a hot pizza. But just a bit of an insight. Order 30-40 minutes before you actually want your pizza, because that's probably how long it will take.
I would go with an hour just to be on the safe side.
Yeah?
I think we were lucky today.
Yeah, true, because it is really popular and it's all freshly done.
It looks dead here, but that's because people go away and then come back when the pizza's ready.
Yeah, but it's lovely. Really good pizza. Fully recommend. So try it if you ever get to come here.
So we're a couple of days in, and we're not in concierge, so just to make you aware of this, we found this little card, and you just say whether you want red wine, white wine and beer. Just put Guinness, of course, and then you sign it and hand it back to the front desk. So if you want wine and beer in your room, you just fill in this card and send it back to reception. Nice and easy. So I'm just sitting on the balcony and I just thought I would share some information. We are, I don't know if you've heard of the Sandal Select Club. I'll show you the view while I'm talking. We're part of the Sandal Select Club and it's free to join, and you just don't have to do anything after that. But what they'll do is they'll accrue your points every time you stay. We're not at an Emerald, I think, Emerald level. So it means that we got a free couples massage, a 30-minute couples massage today. And then we also get 10% off everything as an Emerald member, which is really good. So just check your little pack because we nearly missed it in there. Then you also get your letter, and it says you also get a bottle of rum and a free t-shirt, so that's pretty cool. And we have a meal on Wednesday at 12:30 p.m. For lunch if we want to go. The other thing is, in the room every day they put you in a little leaflet, activities leaflet. So tonight is Sunday and it's the welcome home show time. Then they've got a silent headphone party in the French pool. It just shows you all the different activities for each day. So they'll put that in your room every day or every evening, so you know what's happening the next day. The other thing in the pack is just a little map. But we've been before, so we know. And then a notice just advising you that it's a public beach and just be careful. I think that's everything. And there's dress codes and menus via the QR code. So yeah, we had our 30-minute couples massage and it was just absolutely amazing. And it just feels like I can't believe our view. I love to just sit out here and look at it.
If any of you got a sunburn, this will be a good time for you to block. Fire in the hole! Burn it down! Lord, I found a thing, cause everything is gonna be alright. Next time I say it's gonna be alright. Shake it out, shake it out. What time is this?
Don't know if you can see that, but that's Kimonos. And we've just eaten in there, which I'm sure we'll do a video of. Maybe part of this one, maybe a different video, I don't know. But we just wanted to sort of just show you what it was like. It was all lit up at night time. And it's just stunning. Very pretty. I don't think you can really see it. Maybe you can. Maybe on a TV or monitor. But it is very, very pretty, all lit up. And it's just not lights, they've got fire. Yeah. There's all these little sitting areas, what I like. And you just sit. You can just sit anywhere you want. Walk around and go, this is me. I'm just going to sit down for a little bit. Just chillax. Yeah, apparently the movie's on tonight. I don't know. What was it called?
Element.
Element. I don't know what that is, but we're going to have a look.
Alright, look about that. Can't get it here.
See, I want that green LED light for the back garden. I want that now. I think it looks cool. Oh, okay. You probably can't see that, but we can from here. It's just packed. I don't know.
Years ago. Oh, forget the tickets. I'm gonna have to take apart your dad's shop to figure out what's going on.
You can't! My dad put his whole life into that place.
Oh, I bet this is connected.
So this is what they have, like a movie night.
Yeah, we've been trying to
And it's
track
packed
down the
out.
leak in the city. It's wild in the canal.
And they got a big screen.
Wait,
Look at
I
that.
know where
How
I
cool
can
is
do
that?
something to Ember's shop. Ember and I could track the water from her shop to find the source of the leak.
That's pretty cool.
I could call in a city crew to fix whatever we find.
Right, guys, catch you later.
You need to touch